Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. If you are tired of TikTok videos blaring as soon as you open the app, then this tutorial is for you. Today I am going to show you how to mute TikTok when opening the app. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on Settings and Privacy. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, you have to scroll down and simply tap on Playback. And here you will see option of Open TikTok on mute. Simply toggle this option on. With this setting enabled, TikTok will be muted every time when you open the app. No more sudden loud noises. And that's it. You have successfully muted TikTok when opening the app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.